Well, folks, in my last video, I tried to tune out some weird jittery noise vibrations that I was getting, and I was having a little trouble figuring out what the problem was. Kind of seemed like it might be P-term related, maybe D-term, I don't know. It was kind of ambiguous, and the helpful commenters pointed out that I should check my mechanical issues. I knew it wasn't props because I put new props on it, but I guess it's an example of when the only tool you've got is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. I'm so used to thinking about tuning, 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 it didn't even occur to me to look at my magnets and my bearings, and all my magnets were in place, but sure enough, one of the motors did feel a little rougher than the others, so maybe I got a bad bearing, and that's what was messing it up. The vibrations did start happening after a crash, and I definitely did have a nicked prop that I kept flying on because it was just barely nicked. And I thought, well, why throw it out? So I thought I blamed it on that. But then I replaced all my props and it kept happening. And then I thought, well, maybe it was tuning, but that's not really thinking straight. It wasn't doing that before and the tuning hadn't changed. So, well, I don't know. My tuning's always changing. I never fly twice on the same tune. I'm always tweaking. Anyway, I changed the tune anyway and flew today before I checked the motors. And so I'd like to show you a video of the exact same copter from yesterday. All I did was I took D down from about 70 to about 50, and I took P on pitch and roll down by about zero point 0.3 on both of them. And it's like it started at like pitch of 8 and roll of 6.7, something like that. So I knocked those down by just 0.3. And I would like to show you this video because I am legitimately impressed with how well Betaflight flies, even on a scenario like this where there's like potentially a bad bearing or something. So have a look at this video and enjoy.